Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer your Ethereum from Robinhood to MetaMask in 2025. If you're tired of your crypto sitting idle on an exchange and want to take full control with a self-custody wallet like MetaMask, this guide is perfect for you. It's quick, straightforward, and I'll walk you through every step to avoid any common pitfalls. Let's dive in. First off, before we start, make sure you have a Robinhood account with some Ethereum in it and that MetaMask is installed on your browser or mobile device. Also, ensure you're on the Ethereum mainnet in MetaMask to avoid any network errors. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood account via the app or website. Head over to your portfolio and locate your Ethereum holdings. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Step 2. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer option next to your Ethereum balance. Robinhood might prompt you to verify your identity or set up withdrawals if it's your first time. Step 3. Open your MetaMask wallet and copy your wallet address. Double check that it's the correct one. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so paste it carefully to prevent any irreversible mistakes. Step 4. Back in Robinhood, paste your MetaMask address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer, keeping in mind any network fees that might apply. These fees can vary based on blockchain congestion. Step 5. Review everything one last time, then hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, and the transaction will process on the Ethereum blockchain, which usually takes a few minutes to an hour. Once it's complete, open MetaMask and refresh your wallet to see your Ethereum arrive. Congrats! You've successfully moved your assets. A quick tip: always verify addresses and use secure connections to protect your funds. In 2025, with evolving crypto regulations, double-check Robinhood's policies for withdrawals. If you run into issues, reach out to their support. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. Let's keep building your crypto knowledge together. See you in the next video.